Hi everyone! Welcome back to CarXperienc, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we have an exciting car to review, one that's creating waves in the SUV market. It's none other than the 2025 Hyundai EXTER Knight Edition. Let's dive into what makes this compact SUV a game-changer. The EXTER has always been a strong contender in the subcompact SUV segment, but the Knight Edition takes it a step further, adding a touch of boldness and sophistication. Hyundai has cleverly designed this car to appeal to the urban adventurer while keeping its compact dimensions for city-friendly driving. Now, let's talk about what makes the Knight Edition special. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 EXTER Knight Edition boasts a dark, sporty theme that's hard to ignore. The sleek blacked-out grille, contrasting gloss black and matte finish accents, and Knight badging give the SUV a menacing yet premium look. The LED DRLs and projector headlamps are neatly integrated into the front fascia, ensuring a sharp, modern appearance. Moving to the sides, you'll notice the 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels with a dark finish that perfectly complements the overall Knight theme. The roof rails and ORVMs are also blacked out, enhancing the SUV's rugged aesthetic. And, of course, the shark fin antenna and sporty spoiler at the rear add to its dynamic profile. The design is truly one of the car's strongest points, making it stand out on the road. The EXTER Knight isn't just about looks. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an equally impressive cabin. The interior features an all-black theme with subtle red accents that add a sporty vibe. The soft touch materials on the dashboard and door panels, along with the leather-wrapped steering wheel and gear knob, give the cabin a premium feel. Hyundai has also ensured the Knight Edition comes packed with features. The EXTER Knight gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and voice recognition. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and easy to read, offering a range of information at a glance. The automatic climate control, wireless charging pad, and push-button start are all standard, ensuring convenience at your fingertips. Hyundai has also included a sunroof, which enhances the sense of space in the cabin. For those concerned about safety, the 2025 Hyundai EXTER Knight doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill assist, and a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. Hyundai has also added advanced driver assistance systems, such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. These features make the Knight Edition not just stylish but also incredibly safe for both city and highway driving. Under the hood, the EXTER Knight Edition is powered by Hyundai's reliable 1.2-liter Kappa petrol engine. It delivers a respectable 83 PS of power and 114 Nm of torque, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. For those who prefer an automatic, there's also the option of a 5-speed AMT alongside the standard 5-speed manual transmission. This engine is not only peppy but also fuel-efficient, making it perfect for daily commutes and weekend getaways. One of the standout features of the EXTER Knight is its ride and handling. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Whether you're navigating through congested city streets or cruising on the highway, the EXTER offers a stable and composed ride. The steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, yet offers enough feedback for a confident drive at higher speeds. When it comes to practicality, the EXTER Knight shines with its spacious cabin and well-designed boot. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. The flat floor at the rear makes it comfortable for 3 passengers, and the adjustable rear headrests add to the comfort. The boot space is generous, accommodating luggage for a family trip without any hassle. Hyundai has also provided multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin for added convenience. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Hyundai EXTER Knight Edition is priced at Rs 9.99 lakh ex-showroom for the manual variant and Rs 11.49 lakh ex-showroom for the AMT version. While it is slightly more expensive than the standard EXTER, the added features, premium design elements, and safety tech justify the price tag. Hyundai has positioned the Knight Edition as a value for money offering in the subcompact SUV segment, and it's clear they've succeeded. To sum it up, the 2025 Hyundai EXTER Knight Edition is a stylish, feature-loaded, and practical SUV that caters to urban buyers looking for a premium yet compact option. It combines Hyundai's renowned reliability with a bold new design that's sure to turn heads. Whether you're an enthusiast who loves cutting-edge technology or someone looking for a comfortable and safe family car, the EXTER Knight has something to offer. So, what do you think of the 2025 Hyundai EXTER Knight Edition? Is it a car you'd consider adding to your garage? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to CarXperienc for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy driving.